Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a low buy video. We will do a category low buy. So I'm gonna tell you in each category what do I want to purchase, how many products, etc. So let's start with primer. With primers, I've been testing a million ones. I don't know why. I do have two favorites and I would like to just calm down a bit. I even purchased the NYX one that is actually really nice, but I wouldn't call that a real favorite. It's just maybe second place after my favorites. So for primer, I'm gonna finish at least three primers, and after that I'm allowing myself to purchase one because I have way too many. It's a waste. They will go bad. For foundation, after just purchasing this one, I am on an only replace foundation. So if I'm gonna finish one, I'm gonna purchase one, sure, but not more than that. I have 4 in my collection right now. That's more than enough. I cannot finish 4 foundations in a year, so I need to just have less foundations because I don't even love all foundations that I'm trying, because with, I don't know, lip glosses or stuff like that, I could use them up in a normal amount of time, and at the same time I do like at least a majority of lip oils and lip glosses and stuff like that that I'm testing. With foundation is not the case. Next, for concealer, I'm allowing myself 1 or 2 replace. So when I'm saying 1, I'm saying like in the next 6 months, I don't know. If I really want a concealer, sure, but right now I think I have 3, and that's again more than enough, and I have some great ones. So I need to calm down and just enjoy the ones that I already have. For powder, I am on a no buy on powder because again, I have enough. I don't have that many, but really I need to finish up all my pressed powders. For bronzer as well, I am in the 1 or 2 replace, but again, more than enough. Bronzer is not a category where I am that intrigued, but at the same time this year I think we will see a lot of bronzers. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best and not purchase that many, but I love bronzer. But at the same time, my collection of bronzers is just incredible. I have some of the best bronzers out there, in my opinion, in my collection. All of them, all the ones that I have are favorites. With blush, oh my god, I need to calm down. I already bought 2 blushes, which is too many. I think this one will not stay too long in my collection really, because it's not a great product, but I'm allowing myself, and I don't know if this will be, this is the best goal possible. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I want to purchase 4 blushes for the whole year. Could that be done? Probably no. I have some of the most beautiful blushes that I absolutely adore, so I don't need to purchase something new. And because of that, I want to challenge myself and see if I am able to just purchase 4 blushes for the whole year. With highlighter, I already purchased way too many. Like these 2 are just brand new, even though they are replacements. The Natasha Denona, this one contains a highlighter, so I have 3 already that are pretty new. Again, this one I don't think it will stay in my collection for too long, but I have enough highlighter, and highlighter is the least interesting category to me, so I'm putting none on this one. I don't need any. Next, I'm putting for eyeshadow palettes. Actually, I already purchased 1, so this one counts. I want to purchase 5 new palettes for the whole year, because as you can see today, actually I am pretty colorful in the eyeshadow department, which is fun. I am very happy with my eyeshadow today. but at the same time I have all the colors that I need. I have incredible formulas, so similar to blush. I need to enjoy the products that I already have, but at the same time I'm allowing myself to purchase 5 because I know that if ABH or Natasha Denona are releasing something that looks so nice, it will be very hard for me to not purchase it. And as well, I'm very curious what type of eyeshadows Huda Beauty will do, because I'm sure that she said that the Icy palette was the last palette, but I'm sure that it was like the bigger palette version. So if she's coming out with a quad or a 5 pen or a 6 pen or something like that, if it looks nice, I'm buying it for sure. So 5 eyeshadows, it's 5 eyeshadow palettes. It's decent, I think. For brows, only to replace. I don't want to test anything. I love my brow routine. I use 2 products. I'm happy. I don't need something new. For lip pencils, again, I'm allowing myself to buy 1 or to replace, but I already know the one. So yeah, that's the reason I'm putting 1, because I already know that I want the new NYX Duck Plump lip liner version. I don't know how it's called, but I want that. So yeah, for sure I'm gonna buy it. But after that, I have enough lip pencils. I need to finish like 3 or 4, so I could see like a gap in my collection. Until then, I have way too many. For lipsticks, I'm saying none. I don't like lipstick that much, so yeah, I don't need a new lipstick. I'm wearing glosses 95% of the time, so it will be a waste to purchase anything like a matte lipstick or a liquid lipstick. I have enough in my collection. If I want a matte lipstick, I do own it already. And then for lip gloss, I said in here a huge number. I said 1 per month, so a very rough approximation of lip glosses that I would want, 1 per month, so 12. But theoretically, I already purchased 5. If you are counting this lip stain as a lip gloss, and then 3 other glosses, and then I purchased another shade of this one. I know that it is very affordable and is not in my collection anymore, but yeah, I already purchased like 5 in 1 month. So yeah, let's calm down a bit. So I'm saying like 12 just because I need to chill out. I don't need to test. I even want like 3 or 4. I have 3 or 4 lip glosses on my wish list already. It's just the category that gets me every time. I love testing out lip glosses, so yeah, unfortunately that's my hardest category, and even that I put 12, like a giant number, because I know myself. I know that I'm gonna buy a lot of them, so it is what it is. This was everything. I hope this was interesting. For me, it's for sure a bit of a challenge. I need to purchase less. I'm always saying that, but I love makeup, so yeah. I'm gonna film an update for this video in like 2 months or 3, and we can see then what else did I purchase, where do I want to reconsider, if I finished up something and I need something new, or I don't know. We will talk about it then. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.